If you've ever felt drained for no reason, struggled to take a full breath, or walked into a room and shrunk instantly, your posture might be part of the story. Posture isn't just how you look, it's how you feel. And it's what your body communicates to your brain with every slump or shrug. Today, we'll reset that signal in less than 2 minutes. I'll guide you through a simple posture shift that you could feel right away. Posture is one of the most overlooked parts of nervous system regulation. Collapsed posture reduces breath capacity, drains energy, and lowers confidence. Over time, your body starts to expect fatigue and defeat. But when you shift your posture and open up, you positively change that signal. Your body responds, not with ego, but with calm, healthy energy and grounded, confident strength. Here's a quick 2-minute reset that you can feel right away. Your hips and spine are connected. Your joints are connected too. When your joints are locked, the body holds tension and it causes inflammation and pain. When you soften your joints, they can breathe. So let's reset together. Feel your feet on the ground. Center your hips, the center of your body weight. Notice your weight, not left or right, but balanced in the middle. Soften your hips and knees so your low back and knees can breathe. Draw your navel gently toward your spine. Lengthen tall through the crown of your head. Anchor down through the back side of your body. Open your heart. Soften your jaw. Relax and breathe with ease. If you're standing, you'll feel the shift right away. And if you're seated, try it now in your chair. Same cues, same reset. Your feet are grounded, hips are centered. Draw your navel toward your spine. Lengthen tall through the crown of your head. Anchor down the back side of your body. Open your heart, soften your jaw. Relax and breathe with ease. Posture isn't about looking perfect. It's about being grounded, present, and fully alive in your body. I used to shrink myself without even realizing it, rounding my shoulders, lowering my gaze, and just taking up less space. And then when I thought I had good posture, I would arch my low back and stick out my chest, and that only caused pain in my hips, knees, and back. How I used to carry myself, my posture, just made me feel uncomfortable in my body. I couldn't breathe deeply, I lost energy, and I didn't feel like myself. Through simple practices like this one, I started to feel a lot better. Opening up my posture gave me more freedom, ease, and confidence. I took up more space, not for attention, but to breathe more fully, be present, and feel good in my body. My posture became power, and yours can too. Try this reset daily. It takes less than 2 minutes, and it can become your new normal. You will feel better and function better effortlessly. Hit subscribe for more science-backed, body-based tools to regulate your nervous system, reset stress, and reclaim your energy and confidence.